Spigen cases for the iPhone X or the iPhone 10 and the iPhone 8 Plus Neo Hybrid Herringbone in champagne gold. Now you might notice this says iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 7 Plus, and iPhone 8 Plus cases. They all work. They're all compatible with one another. So I decided to go with this black and gold colorway, which is just a personal preference of mine. Now I actually have the same colorway for my Note 8 case. And for the Note 8, you can't buy this colorway. I had to buy, I think it was like a burgundy and gold one, and I bought a black and the jet black one here, and just swapped the frames to get this look for the Note 8. Anyway, put that one to the side. You get this herringbone pattern back here. You get the gold frame. Now you can take this apart. I'm not going to, you don't need to. Cut out for your lightning port and your speaker grills. Spigen branding here. On the inside, you have the pattern here to help with some of the shock if you do drop this. Put the phone on and see how this is gonna feel. The material that Spigen uses here has a lot of grip, some sort of rubberized coating that they put on this plastic frame. Very nice, I do like it. Nice and grippy, feels good in the hand. Nice cutout for your dual cameras, flash, and your mic. No issues there. Access to your switch. No issues there either. Power button. Nice and tactile. Do that again. Yeah, no issues with the power button. And the volume rocker, nice and tactile, no issues. You have a nice amount of lip here on the front, so if you lay this down flat on the table, glass will not touch the surface. Check out the iPhone 10 case here. This one is a matte black. Let's check it out. Check this one out real fast. Now this is a hybrid, so hard plastic back here, and this side, this is TPU. I am seeing some plastic. Hope I don't struggle too much with this. You know what? I'm not even gonna take it off. You guys get the idea. Slide the phone in. If I can, there we go, snaps right in. Volume rocker, nice and tactile buttons, no issues with that. Access to your switch, you can access that easily here. Nice wide open cutout, not a problem. On the bottom, cutouts for your speaker grills and your lightning port. You have this clear back, so if you got the silver colorway of the iPhone 10 and you want to show off the color, this is how it's going to look like. Nice wide open cutout for your vertical camera, flash, and your mic right there. On each corner here on the back side, you have a little bit of a raise. If you lay this phone flat on its backside, the plastic will not touch the surface, and also on the front, you have a good amount of lip here. If you lay this phone flat on its front, the glass will not touch the surface. Let me know in the comments below what cases you're rocking on your iPhone 8 Plus and your iPhone 10. Thanks for watching. Peace out.